Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very cute and very beautiful Christmas bubbles. Make a slip knot. Make 20 chains. 1, 2, 3. I have 20 chains. Skip this chain, 1 chain. Go to next chain. Make 1 single crochet. Go to next chain, make 1 single crochet. Go to next chain, make 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each chain. Start to decrease chains for these last chains. Insert your hook, bring yarn, hold on your hook, insert your hook in last chain, bring yarn, hold your hook, pull through all of them. Make a chain, turn it, decrease a stitch in start of second row. Bring yarn, pull through all of them. Go to next stitch and make 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. In last chain in this hole, make 2 single crochet. One, two single crochet. 1, 2. Change color, make a chain, turn it, skip this chain, go to second chain, make 2 single crochet. One single crochet, in this hole, 2 single crochet, and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Decrease these stitches. Insert your hook in this stitch, bring yarn, insert your hook in last stitch, bring yarn, pull through all of them. Make a chain, turn it. Decrease these stitches in here and here. Bring and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Make 2 single crochet in last stitch. 1, 2 single crochet. change color, make a chain, turn it, skip one chain, go to next chain, in here from back loop, make 2 single crochet and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Decrease this stitch, pull through, make a chain, turn it, go to 1 stitch, 2 stitch, bring yarn, pull through, make a single crochet in each stitch. Make 2 single crochet in last stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, change color, make a chain, turn it, go to this stitch, make 2 single crochet from back loop, make 1 single crochet in the other stitch,